is what I call an entrance. Give it up, folks. Tom Cruise, a.k.a. Maverick, joining us on the USS Midway. Domity, Simone, I'm in a little bit of shock. Domity, what do you think?
There are a lot of things I expected to see in my lifetime. Tom Cruise landing on a red carpet was not one of them. Now, this film is a love letter to aviation just as much as it's a love letter to cinema. Josh?
Ladies and gentlemen, Tom Cruise. Tom, we went over this. I was going to pick you up in the Uber. It was going to be really simple, but you had to just show me up. You don't do anything simple. I've been on many a red carpet. That's the best entrance I've ever seen.
Thank you.
This movie is epic, man. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Top Gun Maverick, many years in the making.
Let me just say, it's great to see you.
It's good to see you, buddy.
This moment right here, to see everybody at this time, no masks, everyone, this is pretty epic. Very